Now, students, welcome again. In this lectures, we want to discuss about the EMF equations of a transformer. Transformer is a static electrical device which transforms the power from one circuit to another circuit. In this particular figure, we are indicating a two-winding transformer having a number of turns is N1 in the primary side and number of turns in the N2 in the secondary side. If you are giving the supply voltage in a primary side, this is alternating in nature, this is V1, and after delivering the voltage, then current will flow through a primary windings. Then what happened? The MMF will be created inside the primary winding, that should be equal to Ni. This is the nothing, it's a MMF. MMF will create a flux inside the primary winding, and that particular flux will link into the secondary side through a core. This is a core material. तो कोर के माध्यम से सेकेंडरी में भी फ्लक्स आपका लिंक कर जाएगा. Now let us consider the flux equations is phi equal to phi naught sine of omega t here. I am taking the flux equation is phi equal to phi naught sine of omega t. This is the waveforms. Here the phi naught is the maximum flux given here. Now we know very well how to induce voltage in the primary as well as in the secondary side. That is due to the Faraday law of induction. What is the Faraday law of induction? Faraday law of induction is E will be equal to n d phi by dt. I am taking the general terms. So substituting the value of flux in this particular equations, the Faraday law of induction, and d phi naught sine of omega t into dt. After getting the differentiation of sine of omega t, we will get a cos of omega t into omega also. Clear? Now a cos can be converted into the sine terms. It should be equal to sine pi by 2 minus omega t. In this particular here, a sine minus sine, this particular minus sine will be shifted into the sine terms. Then we should have a sine omega t minus pi by 2 here. So this is nothing, it's a E will be equal to n phi naught omega sine omega t minus pi by 2. This is the final equations. Induced voltage in a any windings. E will be equal to E naught sine of omega t minus pi by 2. Then E naught can be represented by the n phi naught into omega, and omega can be replaced by 2 pi f. Clear? So what is the value of a peak voltage? It should be equal to n phi naught into 2 pi into f. So this is nothing, it's a EMF equations of a transformer in a primary or in a secondary side. It is clearly observed that a flux equation is equal to here, which one? This one is phi naught sine of omega t, and the EMF equations is E naught sine of omega t minus pi by 2. In these particular equations, then we have uh, this E phi will be equal to phi naught sine of omega t and E equal to E naught sine of omega t minus pi by 2. With the help of these two equations, induced voltage will lags at an angle of 90 degree. These are 90-degree angle. The flux is the reference because we are knowing here phi naught sine of omega t, and the induced voltage is lagging at an angle of 90 degree. This is the equation is E naught sine of omega t minus pi by 2. Clear? Now if you want to calculate the RMS voltage in a primary as well as in the secondary side. So induced voltage, what is the relations between the induced voltage and the peak voltage? E will be equal to, this is the E naught. E naught sine E naught divided by root 2. What is the value of E naught? E naught will be equal to n phi naught, this one, n phi naught into 2 pi into f here. And 2 pi into divided by root 2, that can be replaced by which one? 4.44. It should be equal to 4.44 and phi naught into f. This is the general RMS voltage in any windings. So primary induced EMF is E1 and secondary induced EMF is E2. Now substituting the value of N is replaced by N1 in this particular equation, then we will get a induced voltage in a primary winding 4.44 N1 pi naught into F, and E2 will be equal to 4.44 N2 pi naught into F. So with the help of these two equations, we want to calculate this one E2 divided by E1. This is 4.44 N2 pi and phi naught into F divided by 4.44 and 1 phi naught into f. Then this particular terms is cancelled. This is a 4.44 cancel out here,